Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a 25-ounce stainless steel insulated water bottle. So let's go ahead and get this opened and check it out. So it came really quickly, and as you can see it has a really nice packaging to keep it safe. And right away when you open it up, you can see this nice black color. It's really sleek and lightweight without, your drink inside. So just the cup itself is really lightweight. It has a anti-slip bottom here to make it easier when you have it on a table. And when you want to take it on the go, it has this handle here so you can carry it easily. And this is BPA free. And it definitely can hold cold drinks and warm drinks. So that is the great thing. It can hold cold drinks for up to 18 hours and warm drinks for up to 8 hours. Another great thing about this water bottle is that it is leak proof, and it has a 360-degree leak proof guarantee. And it has a really thick insulation inside in the top, which allows it to be leak proof. And it is a twist top, and it has an extra wide spout here just to make it easier to drink. And you close it up and twist it back on. So I just filled it up with water, and I want to test it out and make sure that it really is leak proof. So I have the top on securely. I'm going to twist the cap on, and no water leaking out. So it looks like it is definitely leak proof. Alright guys,